Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana, and today we are talking about freedom that is made for us. Have you seen a boat traveling in water? Picture it with me. As a boat cuts through the water, it creates a wake behind it, right? The water is pierced by the boat and it almost splits apart as the boat moves. And you may say that a boat makes a wake behind it. Now, those wakes are so much fun to watch and even more fun to water ski or tube in. But get this, just like a boat makes a wake with its actions, today's verse is going to show us something that Jesus' actions made. Let's check it out in Colossians 1, verses 19 and 20. Here's what it says. It says, "For God in all his faithfulness was pleased to live in Christ. And through him, God reconciled everything to himself. He made peace with everything in heaven and on earth by means of Christ's blood on the cross." Did you catch it? Jesus' actions made peace. Now, what is unique about today's verse is it does not say that Jesus brought peace or Jesus found peace or he happened upon peace. No, it says Jesus made peace. There was an action here, a bringing about of peace. So if Jesus was invited to a potluck, he's not swinging by the store to pick up some pre-packaged peace from the grocery store. No, he's making it. He made peace. Why is this important? He brought about peace through his blood that he willingly shed on the cross. He was fueled by love for you, specifically along with love for all of humanity. And this sacrifice of his life, that's what made peace. So have you ever tried to define peace? Well, Webster's dictionary defines it as a state of tranquility or quiet or freedom from oppressive thoughts or emotions, or even they describe it as harmony in personal relationships and more. So today's verse reminds us that through Jesus, he made peace when he laid down his life on the cross and he defeated sin and death. And through faith in him, we can embrace the peace that Jesus made between us and God, the peace that Jesus brought about. What does the peace Jesus made do? Well, the verse told us it reconciles all things back to him. So Jesus, what did he do? This peace that he makes, it completely brings you back into harmony with him, you could say. So today, do this. Hold on to the truth in today's verse that Jesus made peace through his blood that was poured out on the cross, that brought about reconciliation of you to Jesus. You can return to peace in this strong truth that Jesus made a way for you to come back into close relationship with him. And there you are going to discover this peace that he made. No matter what's happening in your world today, this truth holds strong. Just like a boat cutting across the water makes a wake in its path, let the powerful truth of what Jesus made bring renewed peace and a settling and a reconciliation inside of your heart and mind. We'll see you next time.